afternoon, the purpose of this event is to establish your talent, is to promote your talent, and to develop your talent. I know Tulunenses are very talented. Need lang natin some proper platform to show up to people that Tulunense can be something, not only in Tubunan, but of course in whole province of Cotabato.
I'm standing at the edge now, it's about to go down. I'm gonna take it higher. It's time for me to light it, so they can't deny it. Hey, bring that fire. Bring that fire.
Happy Fiesta, Happy Taliambong Festival. Ini isa ka avenue nga ginapangunahan sa aton kabataan agud may tsansa ang aton nga makabataan mag-develop sa ilang talents kag mga potentials not only in the singing aspect but also in other events incorporated in the Taliambong Festival.
I do it for the glory. I'll be more than just a fable. I'll be written in the stars. I will never be too afraid to be giving all of me, even when it's hard. Oh, I started as an ember.
Your experience today is one of the opportunity nga kabalo ko hindi ninyo malimtan, and I hope ang inyong experience mahimo ninyong inspirasyon nga madayon kamo nga mangin isa ka kabataang Tulunense nga may ara talento, may ara abilidad, kag may ara pangarap.
I do it for the glory. I do it for the glory. I do it for the glory. I do it for the glory.
I am happy and I am grateful na ang kabataan sa Tulunense full of talents, full of skills, and full of opportunities pa nga madawat sa kabataan.
We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the broken ones who chose to spark a flame. Watch as our fire rages, our hearts are never tame.
Moro ka man, Kristiyano ka man, tribo ka man, but we are all one because we are all Tulunense.
Was it alright for someone like me to know you're not alone? The moves that you make, yeah, that come up mistakes, don't ever lose your
Sa inyo tanan-tanan, congratulations! Madamong inyo salamat! Padayon kita para sa mabakod na kabataang Tulunense.
We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places but have the same name.
Empowered na ang mga kabataang Tulunense sa ating tanan. Congratulations! Kag magandang hapon po.
We are the broken ones who chose to spark the flame. Watch as our fire rages, our hearts are never tame. Cause we were